Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer investment accounts with Fidelity Investments. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by gathering the necessary information for your investment accounts. You will need your account numbers, the type of accounts you're transferring, and personal identification details. Visit the Fidelity Investments website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to initiate the transfer. Locate the Transfer Accounts section on the website. Select the type of transfer you're interested in, such as an in-kind transfer or a cash transfer. Read through any relevant information about the transfer process. Click on the option to start a transfer. Follow the prompts to enter your current investment account information. Provide details about the account you're transferring from, including the financial institution's name. Indicate the specific accounts you wish to transfer, such as brokerage or retirement accounts. Review your transfer selections carefully. Ensure all entered details are correct before proceeding. Confirm your identity by completing any required security checks. Submit your transfer request once you've verified all information. Fidelity will then initiate the transfer process and notify you via email. Monitor your email and Fidelity account for updates on the transfer status. If you need assistance, reach out to Fidelity's customer support for help. Follow any additional instructions provided by Fidelity to ensure a smooth transfer. Once the transfer is complete, review your accounts to confirm all assets have been moved accordingly. Enjoy managing your investments with Fidelity after the transfer is finalized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.